Lesson C3 is going to go over the distributive property and combining like terms in order to solve inequalities. So as a review, we'll go through the distributive property. Whatever's on the outside, you have to distribute to the inside. So this would be negative 5n plus negative 5, or you could say negative 5n minus 5. Combining like terms, 12n plus 5n gives us 17n. Here we have to distribute before we can combine like terms. That's going to give us 18 minus 2x minus 13x. Combine our like terms. Here we took away a total of 15x's, so it's going to be 18 minus 15x. Down here we're going to get negative 7x minus 35 minus 10, which is negative 7x minus 45. Here we get into multi-step equations. We've got to distribute in two places. So this would give us 3x minus 15. Remember, we're distributing a negative 4, which is going to be minus 4x minus 24. Combine our like terms. We've got 3x minus 4x, which is negative 1x, and negative 15 minus 24, which is going to be negative 39. The next one would be a positive 4x plus negative 10 plus 7x plus 1. Remember, this negative and negative is what's making it a positive or a plus. 4x plus 7x is going to give us 11x, and negative 10 plus 1 will give us negative 9. These are the properties that you're going to want to apply as we move on to inequalities. So here we have to combine our like terms before solving. We've got negative 4n plus 7n, which is going to give us 3n is greater than 21. Divide both sides by 3. We do not have to reverse our sign because we haven't done anything with a negative. So n is greater than 7. I'm going to put an open circle at 7. And all the numbers that are greater than 7 are located to the right. Here, 3k minus 10k is going to give us a negative 7k. It's less than or equal to 0. We're dividing by a negative 7, and remember, when we divide by a negative, we have to reverse our inequality, so it's going to be greater than or equal to, and we'll end up with 0. So I'm going to put a closed circle at 0. The numbers that are greater than or equal to 0 are going to be located to the right. Here, anytime we see the distributive property, you want to make sure you do that first. It's going to give us 3x minus 15 is greater than or equal to negative 24. We're going to add 24 to both, add 15 to both sides. It's going to give us 3x is greater than or equal to negative 9. Divide by a positive 3. We don't have to change anything because we divided by a positive. And we're going to get x is greater than or equal to negative 3. So I'm going to go to negative 3, put a closed circle, and shade to the right. Here we'll distribute again. We've got negative 49 plus negative 7x is less than or equal to negative 35. We'll have to add 49 to both sides. We get negative 7x is less than or equal to, we're doing 49 minus 35. We get 14. I don't know what kind of math I'm doing over here. It gave us 14. Then we divide by negative 7. When we divide by a negative, we have to reverse our inequality, so we get x is greater than or equal to negative 2. And close this and shade to the right. This one, we've got multiple steps here. We're going to have to distribute and then combine like terms before solving the inequality. So we'll get negative 16 plus negative 16x minus 6x is greater than negative 38. I'm going to combine my like terms. I've got negative 16 plus negative 22x is greater than negative 38. Add 16 to both sides. We get negative 22x is greater than negative 22. Divide by negative 22. Since we're dividing by a negative, we have to switch our sign, so x is less than 1. I'm going to erase a little bit here so that we can graph it. I'm going to go to 1, put an open circle, and shade to the left because it's less than. Here we've got to do a lot of distribution. We get negative 6x plus 18x plus 2x minus 5 is greater than or equal to 33. Negative 6x plus 18x is 12x plus 2x gives us 14x minus 5 is greater than or equal to 33. We'll add 5 to each side. We get 14x is greater than or equal to 38. Divide both sides by 14. And x is greater than or equal to 38 fourteenths. 14 fits into 38 2 times. That gives us 28. So we've got 10 fourteenths left over, or divide both by 2 and 2 and 5 sevenths. So I'm going to go to 2 and 5 sevenths, put a closed circle, and shade to the right. Next one, we've got to distribute. We've got 7n plus 70 minus 6n plus 30 is less than 108. Combine our like terms, we get 1n plus 100 is less than 108. Subtract 100 from both sides. We get n is less than 8. Open circle at 8 and shade to the left. Okay, if you have any questions, go ahead and email me at sullivan719@yahoo.com.